This is part 3 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression of Standard 10th. So continuing the sums on finding the nth term of the AP, we reach to the next sum, which is the 8th sum. So the find the nth term. This is find the nth term of an AP. We have to just find the general term, nth term of an AP, whose 9th term is minus 23 and 14th term is minus 43. So how do we do this? So we will write down separately. So it is given to us that the 9th term means A9 is minus 23, but according to the formula it will be A plus n minus 1. So what is n minus 1? 9 minus 1 into d. So this condenses down to A plus 8d. So this is the first thing I will write. A plus 8d means minus 23. This is my first statement. Now we say for the second one, the 14th term means A14 is given to us as minus 43. Again the same thing, it is 14 minus 1 into d. We neither know A nor we know do, so we are generating two statements. So this is A plus 13d. So I will write my second statement as A plus 13d is equal to minus 43. Now remember, we have two statements. This can be compared as linear equation in two variables because there are two variables. So we will do by the same method. So just solving. So we will write here solving 1 and 2. So it is A plus 8d is equal to minus 23 and this is A plus 13d is equal to minus 43. I will just subtract this. So this is 0. 8 minus 13 means minus 5d is equal to minus 23 minus of minus 43 means it will come plus 20. Therefore d is equal to minus 4. Now using this value of d is equal to minus 4, I will put it in equation 1. So this is 8 plus 8, a plus 8 into d. So d is minus 4 is equal to minus 23. So this is a minus 32 is equal to minus 23. So what is a? It is minus 23 plus 32. So we are getting a is equal to 9. So now I want to find the general term. So the general term or the nth term is an is equal to a. So what is a? We found 9 plus it is n minus 1 into d. So what is the d? We found minus 4. So simplifying it little further, I will get an is equal to 9 minus 4n. Minus of minus 4 means plus 4. So this is 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 4n. So my final answer is the general term or the nth term is given by 13 minus 4n. So this is my answer. So if they ask us the nth term, we can find the nth term. If they ask us something else, also we can do in the same way. Now we'll go for the next. Just say this is the 9th sum. Find the 30th term of an AP whose 11th term is 62 and 16th term is 87. So how do we do it? So we will start writing the data. So the 11th term is given us to as 62. Remember, 11th term is a, we don't know, 11 minus 1 into d. So this condenses out to be a plus 10d is equal to 62. So this is my first thing. So you have to make use of this linear equation in two variables. Now we are having the 16th term. So the 16th term is given as 87, but formula wise it will be 16 minus 1 into d. So this is a plus 15d is equal to 87. This is statement number 2. So first we will solve this, solving 1 and 2. So what do we get? A plus 10d is equal to 62. A plus 15d is equal to 87. So we will subtract this gets eliminated. 10 minus 15 is minus 5d is equal to 62 minus 87 means minus 25. Therefore d is equal to minus 25 upon minus 5. So d is equal to 5. Now putting this 5 into this equation, in the equation number 1, a plus 10 into d, instead of d I will put 5. This becomes 62. So we are getting a plus 50 is equal to 62. Therefore a is equal to 12. Now we have all the things. So now we want the 30th term. So therefore 30th term is, so n is equal to 30 here. So we will write a 30 is equal to a we got as 12 plus n minus 1. N is 30. 30 minus 1 into d is 5. So we will write a 30 is equal to 12 plus 29 into 5. Now this 29 into 5, so that is 145. So 12 plus 145 means 157. So therefore we can say the 30th term is 157. That's the answer. Now we go for the next one. Find the 25th term of an AP whose 5th term is minus 2 and the 9th term is minus 14. So we will be applying the same methods. So what is the 5th term given to us? A5 is given to us as minus 2, but by formula wise it is a plus n minus 1. So here n is 5 because it is the 5th term. 5 minus 1 into d. So this becomes a plus 4d is equal to minus 2. This is our first statement. Similarly the 9th term. So a9 is equal to minus 14. So this is nothing but a plus for 9th term n minus 1 into d. So it becomes a plus 8d is equal to minus 14. Now this is like this. Now what do we do? So we will solve 1 and 2. So solving equations 1 and 2, what do we get? We get a plus 4d is equal to minus 2 and a plus 8d is equal to minus 14. So when I subtract, this becomes 0. 4 minus 8 means minus 4d, minus 2 minus of minus 14. So I will get plus 12. So I am getting d is equal to minus 3. Now when I put d in the first statement, it is a plus 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. So a minus 12 is equal to minus 2. So for a is equal to minus 12, when it goes I will plus 12. 12 minus 2 means 10. So now we have to find the 25th term. So the 25th term will be n is equal to 25. So a 25 is equal to a plus 25 minus 1 because n is 25 into d is minus 3. So a 25 is equal to 10 plus 24 into minus 3. 24 into minus 3 means minus 72. So it is minus 62. So we will say therefore the 25th term of the given AP is minus 62. So we go for the 11th sum. If the 8th term of an AP is 31 and the 15th term is 16 more than the 11th term. Now this is a new type of sum, but we will do it. You have to find the AP. AP means you have to just find the first 3 terms. So what do? We start generating the data. So A8 is equal to 31. So by the formula it will be a plus 8 minus 1 into d. So I get my first thing, a plus 7d is equal to 31. So this is my first statement. Now I want the 15th term is 16 more than the 11th term. So how do I write this? I will write it in this way. A15 is equal to, the 11th term is A11, 16 more than that. So please see very carefully, the 15th term means A15 is 16 more than, means 16 more than the 11th term means A11. So it is all written in this. Now we will expand this. So what does A15 means? A15 means it is nothing but A plus 14 minus 1 D. Similarly, what does A11 mean? So A11 means it is nothing but A plus 11 minus 1 D plus 16. So we start opening the brackets. This will be A plus 13D is equal to A plus 10D plus 16. So in this we can directly subtract this. Now this 10D I will bring it there, transpose it. So 13D minus 10D is equal to 13D minus 10D is equal to this is A15. This is 15 minus 1, 14D. This is 15 minus 1, so this will be 14D, not 13D. So I am making a correction here, 14D. So it will be 14D minus 10D is equal to 16. So 4D is equal to 16. Therefore D is equal to 16 upon 4. D is equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of A. So we can put it in any equation we like. I am just putting it in the first equation. A plus 7 into D is equal to 31. So A plus 28 is equal to 31. A is equal to 31 minus 28. So A is equal to 3. Now we are having A and D. Now we do just to form the equation. So remember, AP is given by the formula A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. So if we put the same thing, it is 3, then 3 plus D is 4, then 3 plus 2 into 4 and so on. So we can say the AP is 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. So from the given data we found A, we found D, then we found the AP. So the next term is like this. Which term of the AP 5, 15, 25 will be 130 more than the 31st term? So here first is we will have to find the 31st term. Second step, you add 130 to the 31st term. Third is whichever answer you are getting, you have to find the n for that. So there are three basic things which we will be doing for this. So first is the AP is 5, 15, 25 and so on. So we will start generating the data. A is 5. So what is D? It is 15 minus 5 means D. So now we will find the 31st term. So when n is equal to 31, so I have to find the value of A31. So this is 5 plus 31 minus 1 into 10. A plus n minus 1 into D. So this becomes A31 is equal to 5 plus 30 into 10 is 300. So we are getting 305. So our first step is over. Now the value of 31st term is 305. Now we will add 130 more to it. So adding 130 to the 31st term. So what do we get? So we will get 130 plus 305 means it is nothing but 435. Now we will consider this as AN. So AN is 435 and we will find what is the value of N here. It is, remember, in the same AP. So now we will put this formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where I don't know N. So this is 435 is equal to, what is A? It is 5 plus I don't know N, and what is D? It is 10. So this is 435 minus 5 is equal to 10n minus 10. So 430 is equal to 10n minus 10. So this becomes 430 plus 10 is equal to 10n. So it is 440 is equal to 10n. Therefore n is equal to 440 upon 10. Therefore n is equal to 44. So we will say, therefore the 44th term of the given AP is 130 more than the 31st term, more than its 31st term. So we have done this sum in 3 steps. Thank you.